Good morning, class 8th. We have completed our chapter. Now, for the question answers, come to the page number 7 of your book. So, we start with it. First, take the correct answer. Indian historians divided Indian history into dash part. Answer is 3. Dash is a process by which a central system of power dominates the surrounding land and its components. Answer is A. Colonization. Third, the British felt all important dash needed to be preserved. Answer is C. Letter and documents. B part, fill in the blanks. The first full-scale working railway steam locomotive was built in the United Kingdom in the year. Answer is 1804. Second, history is certainly about dash that occurs over time. Answer is changes. Third, census operations were held every dash years. Answer is 10. Fourth, British established specialized institutions like dash and dash to preserve important records. Answer is museum and archives. Fifth, the Imperial Record Department was set up on 11th March 1891 in dash. Answer is Kolkata. C. State whether the statement are true or false. First, dates in history are not linked to events. False. Second, James Mill divided Indian history into 3 periods: Hindu, Muslim, and Christian. Answer is false. The practice of surveying also became common under the colonial administration. True. Fourth, official document help us understand about the country administration. Answer is true. Fifth, the British thought surveys were important for effective administration. Answer is true. Then come for the matching on the next page. Richard Trethwick. Match it with the D. Invention of train. Second, James Mill. Match it with A. Periodization of Indian history. Third, Rowlatt Act. Match it with Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Fourth, Simon Commission, and join it with B. Political reform in India. Fifth, Pune Pact. Match it with M.K. Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar. So, matching is done now. Then write answers in short. What do you mean by history? Answer: history is the study of past. Studying history is important because it allows us to understand our past, which in turn allows understanding our present. Second question, who was James Mill? Answer is, James Mill was a Scottish philosopher, historian and economist. In 1890, he was appointed an official in India House. Third, what did James Mill think about all Asian societies? Answer, he had a colonial mind and thought Asians to have poorly civilized. He felt Europeans to be superior. Fourth, how have historians divided Indian history? Answer, James Mill divided Indian history into Hindus and Muslims and British period. The Indian scholar classified Indian history into ancient, medieval, and modern. Fifth, what do you mean by the term colonization? Colonization is a process by which a central system of power dominates the surroundings, lands, and its components. Colonization refers strictly to migration, for example, to settler colonies in America or Australia, trading posts, and plantation. Sixth, mention the events for which specific dates can be determined. In dates, lots of dates are given in your book. We can select any one. I have selected these 4. 1885, the Indian National Congress is launching in Bombay with the aim of winning political rights for Indians. 1915, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returns to India from South Africa. August 1942, the Congress leader meet in Bombay and pass the Quit India. And August 15, 1947, India got the independence. Now, this is enough for the day. Please do this work in a fair notebook of history. Thank you.